Okay, to install this one, what you will need, you need all the components together before you install this one, before you close the wall. So what you will need: the tile thickness, the curly board or waterproof board, the adapter, which came with this, like this. So this is the adapter. Yeah, come in here, and then you need another one of these, right? And also the face plate. So how you install this now? Here you install the job ear. This is my way. Install the job ear, and then you will need to work out the job ear on this particular job. So the job ear is about just over inch and a half, inch and 5/8 out from here. So the board, the 2x4 was inch and 3/4 from it set back in inch and 3/4. And then what I need this one. Install that. And next, this one, the adapter, the face plate, go in there. So the face plate and push in. So that is where the finished wall should be here. That's why you need this waterproof board. In this case, I use a curly board, and the tile thickness, which there can go in there, and you see the gap there between the tile and the face plate is just about 1/8 or slightly over 1/8 that for the thin set. So that because of this, it's exact, and it gives you no tolerance. So you have to work out exact measurements before you close the wall. So so reverse. Take this off. Yeah. Push it out. Just pull it out. Get this out. Now it's ready for you to put the curly board. Okay.